my channel. If you're returning, welcome. It's your girl, Ladycg. Oh, why did you just get out of the car like that? Oh, something must have fell. Anyway, I am on the way to get lunch. I haven't talked to you guys in like a month. No, I'm lying. I posted a video before this vlog, so if you didn't watch it right now. I'm gonna link it right here. Hey guys. Oh, what is that? Just in my edges. I don't know what that is, but hey guys. I haven't recorded since like last week. I went out to eat last and I just had the itis that day. I was so tired, so I just couldn't vlog. But right now, I'm about to leave to go get my eyelashes done and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So this is my first time to this lash tech, so hopefully my lashes come out bomb. But the lashes on her page look good, so you know, I'm not doubting her. To get my lashes done, I have to pack. I have to pick up some things from the store because I am going on vacation on Saturday. So I'm just doing a little bit of prepping, and then oh, I need to take my hair up. Like, I'm ashamed to even be on camera like this right now, but I can't take my hair out either until tonight or tomorrow, so that's just gonna have to wait. But I just wanted to check in with you guys because it's been like a week since I did that, so I'm gonna see you guys when I get there to my appointment.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You, I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Hey y'all, good afternoon. It's the next day. I never checked back in after getting my lashes done. Here they are. I told her to do 25 mm, but I ended up doing 23, and then she did a mixture of like 18, 20, 23. So I got mega volume. I usually don't do my eyelashes this thick, but they're cute. Like, they're growing on me. I don't like it without makeup, but I know once I put my makeup on, it's gonna look super nice. Right now, I'm at the ATM drive-thru. Just getting some cash so I can get my nails done. I'm about to go to my nail tech. I'm debating on getting a pedicure. Yes, the thing is, I'm debating because I always do my own pedicure, but I'm gonna treat myself, so I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I went too far. It's so hot outside, like, I am not prepared. You know you have trust issues if you count the money that comes out the ATM. Like, well, I guess not, because the ATM is like a computer and sometimes they can malfunction. So
Bobby. Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, Tepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto. Baby, nice what you know. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow.
I'm currently packing. My flight is at 5:40 and right now it's 1:20. So I'm just doing some last minute things I need to throw in, and then I'll probably start this vlog like in a new one for a part 2. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and this probably will be the last time I check in with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for more.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.